students, welcome to Kiran coaching classes. Today we see excess pressure across a free surface of a liquid. Here, every molecule of a free surface of a liquid experience forces. Such forces are tangential to the liquid surface. The direction of the resultant force due to the surface tension acting on a molecule of a liquid surface depends upon the shape of a liquid surface and meniscus. Here also the this resultant force it also contributes in deciding the pressure at just below the liquid surface. Now we see the excess pressure, that is pressure difference at three different surfaces of a liquid. Suppose these are the three surfaces, liquid surfaces, different surfaces having different shapes. This is the planar surface and this is a convex surface and this is a concave surface. थ्री सरफेसेस आहे डिफरंट शेप्स असणारे हे थ्री सरफेसेस आहेत. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं ह्या पॉइंटच्या तिथं म्हणजे सपोज ए अँड बी वी कन्सिडर द ए अँड बी पॉइंट्स ॲज द दिस डिफरंट सरफेसेस दॅट इज ॲट डिफरंट मेनिस्कन and we have to find the excess pressure at a point B. We have suppose A and B are the two molecules. A is just above the liquid surface and B is just below the liquid surface. And these two, that is the three different liquid surfaces. Now suppose Fa bar is the force acting on a molecule due to the atmospheric pressure. atmospheric pressure मुळे जो का फोर्स एक्झर्ट होतो तो का आहे Fa bar. And suppose Ft bar is the resultant force due to the surface tension of a liquid surface. Ft bar is resultant force and her resultant force it determine the pressure at the point B, that is just below the liquid surface. We consider the plane surface. आता planar surface, plane surface. Plane surface had a plane surface. This is a molecule A and this is a molecule B. The resultant force, that is the Ft bar, due to the surface tension, it is directed in this direction. They are tangential to the surface at a rest. And they are opposite in direction and equal. Therefore, the resultant force is at a B, it is a 0. The resultant force at B is a 0 and therefore the pressure at A and B is same. Here pressure at that is the A, that is Fa bar, it decides the pressure at a point B, that is at A and B on a plane surface. Pressure is the same. Now we consider the convex surface. This is the convex surface. This is the point A and this is the point B. The resultant force acting on molecule B due to the surface tension, it is directed vertically downward. Vertically downward direction मध्ये हा resultant force आहे. And force Fa bar, it is acting vertically downward. In all three figures, force Fa bar, that is it is due to the atmospheric pressure, it is acting in downward direction. And this force adds to this force, that is resultant force. And therefore, at a point B, force is a greater than at a point A. And therefore, due to this excess force, that is greater force, the pressure at point B is maximum than the pressure at a point A. that is pressure at concave side, it is a maximum than pressure at a convex side. This is a convex surface seen from above. वरून आपण जर पाहिलं तर हा कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस आहे आणि ह्या रिझल्टंट फोर्स काय इट इज डायरेक्टेड इन व्हर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन and this is a force Fa bar, it is directed downward. Both forces adds up and as a result on molecule B just below the liquid surface maximum force exert, and due to this here pressure is maximum at a concave side. Concave side, that is at a concave meniscus, pressure is a maximum than at a point A which is on a convex side. हे झालं कॉन्वेक्स सरफेसचं. कॉन्केव साईडला काय प्रेशर कसं आहे मॅक्झिमम आहे कॉन्वेक्स साईडपेक्षा. आता आपण काय कन्सिडर करू, थर्ड फिगर कन्सिडर करू, कॉन्केव सरफेस कन्सिडर करू. कॉन्केव सरफेस, कॉन्केव सरफेस हा कॉन्केव सरफेस आहे, हा कॉन्केव सरफेस. आणि हे जे दोन फोर्सेस आहेत ते काय आहेत, हे टँजेन्शियल फोर्सेस आणि ह्या पॉइंट बीच्या तिथं हा जो यांचा इफेक्ट आहे रिझल्टंट फोर्स, ह्या दोघांचा हे सरफेस टेन्शनचा आहे. रिझल्टंट फोर्स म्हणजे एफ बार. एफ बार इट इज डायरेक्टेड इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन and force on molecule, that is Fa bar, it is directed in downward direction. These both forces are opposite to each other. As a result, here the pressure, that is force acting on a molecule B, is less than the force acting on A, that is it less than the Fa bar. Here therefore force at B is less than the force at A. And therefore pressure at a B is minimum than that at a point A. That is at a convex side pressure is minimum and at a concave side pressure is a maximum. This is the excess pressure across the surface of a liquid. हे जे प्रेशर डिफरन्स आहे ते कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, शेप ऑफ ए लिक्विड सरफेस, that is the meniscus of a liquid surface. लिक्विड सरफेसच्या शेपवरती काय आहे प्रेशर प्रेशर आहे डिपेंड आहे. प्लेन सरफेसच्या दोन्ही साईडला काय राहणार आहे प्रेशर कसं राहतं सेम राहील. आणि कॉन्वेक्स किंवा कॉन्केव साईडचा जर सरफेस असेल तर कॉन्केव साईडला कसं राहतं प्रेशर मॅक्झिमम राहतं आणि कॉन्वेक्स साईडला प्रेशर कसं राहणार आहे मिनिमम. हे आपण एक्सेस प्रेशर पाहिलं फ्री सरफेस ऑफ ए लिक्विड. नाउ वी सी the explanation of formation of drops and bubbles. Now we see explanation of formation of drop or bubbles. Liquid drops or bubbles are spherical in shapes. These are due to the surface tension acting the drop. The forces due to the surface tension acting the drop dominate the gravitational force, and the forces due to the surface tension always try to acquire the minimum surface area. The forces acting on the drop, that is drop or bubble, do not collapse because the resultant force due to the external pressure and the force due to the surface tension is smaller than the inside the pressure inside the drop or inside the bubble. Now suppose this is the spherical drop. Consider this drop with a radius r and Pi is the pressure inside the liquid drop and P naught is the pressure outside the liquid drop. We have seen that the pressure at concave side is maximum than the pressure at a convex side. This is a convex side from the outer and from inner it is a concave side. And therefore Pi is maximum and P naught, suppose P naught is the outside pressure, external pressure, it is a minimum. And therefore excess pressure acting on the drop, it is equal to PR minus P naught. एवढा काय excess pressure आहे. And suppose here R is the radius of this spherical drop or bubble. And if we increase it through the displacement delta R ने आपण increase करू, then lateral radius become as a R plus delta R. Therefore there occur the change in surface area. Now suppose with a radius R, A1 is the surface area and that radius surface area A1 equal to 4 pi R square is the surface area. When it increases through the displacement delta R, then radius becomes the R plus delta R. With this radius R plus delta R, lateral area, it is equal to suppose A2 and it is equal to 4 pi into in bracket R plus delta R bracket square. This is equal to 4 pi into here taking the expansion R square plus 2 times R into delta R and plus delta R square. Multiplying by 4 pi we get 4 pi R square plus 8 pi R into delta R and plus delta R square. As delta R is very small, delta R is very small, delta R काय small आहे. Therefore delta R square also small, delta R square it is also small and it is neglected, can be neglected. Therefore A2 equal to A2 it is equal to 4 pi R square plus 8 pi R into delta. एवढा काय A2 and therefore change in area it is equal to dA and it is equal to A2 minus A1. This is the change in surface area and therefore putting this value it is equal to 4 pi R square plus 8 pi R into delta and minus A1 4 pi R square. 4 pi R square get cancelled and this is equal to dA equal to 8 pi R into delta R. This is a change in surface area, that is increase in surface area. And therefore while changing the surface area through the displacement delta, there is a work done. And this work done it is given by, suppose dW is the work done. And suppose T is the surface tension, then work done it is equal to T into change in area, and this work done it is stored as a surface energy. This surface energy म्हणून stored होईल. And putting the value of dA we get T into 8 pi R into delta R. This is a work done called as equation 1. Also work done, work equal to force into displacement. To change the radius from R to R plus delta R, suppose F is the force applied, F force apply केला and displacement किती आहे delta R. Work done it is also equal to force into displacement, F into delta R. एवढं काय वर्क आहे. मग फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2 हे इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 कन्सिडर करू. F into delta R equal to T into 8 pi R into delta R. एवढं काय येणार आहे इक्वेट करताय फ्रॉम 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get here the F into delta R, F into delta R, it is equal to here T into 8 pi R into delta R, T into 8 pi R into delta R get cancelled and this is equal to, therefore F equal to T into 8 pi R. एवढं काय तर फोर्स येतं. As pressure equal to force upon area. And therefore force equal to pressure into area. And therefore excess force it is equal to excess pressure. Excess pressure Pi minus P naught into area. Area equal to 4 pi r square. This is the excess force, that is F equal to Pi minus P naught into 4 pi r square. And therefore putting this value in equation 3, we get Pi from equation 3 and equation 4. From 3 and 4 we get here Pi minus P naught into 4 pi r square, it is equal to T into 8 pi r. We get that is the Pi minus P naught, it is equal to 2T upon r. This is the excess pressure acting on a droplet, and this excess pressure, it is called as a, that is Laplace law of a spherical membrane. This is the Laplace law for the spherical membrane. हे झालं ड्रॉप साठी और बबल साठी. आता फॉर बबल, सोप बबल आपण कन्सिडर केला. सोप बबल साठी जर कन्सिडर केलं तर इट हॅज अ टू सरफेसेस that is in contact with air, inner surface and outer surface. Therefore the area, increase in area, that is, it is equal to delta dA, that is 8 pi r into delta r. हा काय increase in area for a droplet, liquid drop. And for soap bubble dA, it is equal to 8 pi r into delta r, and it has a two surfaces, therefore it is taken as a 2 times 8 pi r into delta r, that is, this is equal to 16 pi r into delta r. एवढा काय आहे increase in area for a soap bubble. And now here the work done, it is equal to work done dW, it is equal to force into displacement F into delta r, and it is also equal to here surface tension into dA, and this is equal to excess force. Excess force, it is equal to काय Pi minus P naught into 4 pi r square. एवढा excess force आहे Pi minus P naught into 4 pi r square, and this is equal to T into, for here spherical, that is soap bubble, dA equal to 16 pi r into delta r. This is the here consider proper, and therefore we get excess pressure आता. Now therefore Pi minus P naught, it is equal to excess pressure equal to 4T upon, that is the R. This is the excess pressure. We get this excess pressure into this delta R. Delta R here, delta R is here, delta R also get cancelled, and we get excess pressure equal to 4T upon R. एवढं काय आहे excess pressure आहे for the soap bubble, and for a drop excess pressure equal to 2T upon R. This is the Laplace law for a spherical membrane. आणि बाकीचे पॉइंट आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहू.